Hi, this is Fred Niemann of Hanlon Niemann, estate planning attorneys in all 22 counties of the state of New Jersey. I previously prepared a video on the importance of title and ownership of assets, but I felt it important to expand the discussion in our trust website because of the importance of how ownership of assets is held by a trust. Did you know that if you create a trust, or if your estate planning is trust-based, in other words, you've created a trust, named a trustee, if you do not change ownership of your assets to the trust, then they are not trust assets. For example, if you own a home and your home is in your individual name and you create a trust, if you do not change ownership of the house to the trustee of the trust, then you are deemed still to be the legal owner of the house, and the house will be subject to probate. Many people create trusts to avoid probate in New Jersey. Probate is not expensive, but my experience has been that the state is taking significant times to issue waivers so that title can be released from any potential estate tax lien, and New Jersey, being the state that it is trying to take every possible tax dollar it can from middle and upper middle class families. Therefore, I am encouraging families to go to trust-based planning to avoid probate, to reduce the time that it takes to get through the state of New Jersey and tax waivers. But I want to emphasize to you again, if what you own, it's either an IRA or a bank account or a stock or your car or anything else of value, life insurance policies, if you do not change ownership of those assets to the trustee of the trust, then upon your death, the trust will not be the owner of those assets, and those assets will be subject to trust. Even worse, if you have a trust that provides for beneficiaries upon your death, but you do not change ownership, then the assets will go in accordance with the will, and if you have no will, it will go in accordance with intestate succession, which means dying without a will. So to summarize, it is very, very important that you carefully consider transferring ownership of your assets to the name of the trust, in particular the trustee of the trust, so that you can further your estate planning objectives.